Look at a world map for just a second. It feels permanent. North America, Europe, Africa, Australia, they all seem locked in place. But here's the truth. Every continent you're looking at is moving right now.
When we think of continental drift, we imagine it takes thousands of years. But it's happening right now. The continents are moving at this very moment.
And if you could somehow fast forward Earth by 100 million years, our planet would be almost impossible to recognize. Entire oceans could slowly disappear as the continents keep drifting toward each other. Places that are underwater today could one day become solid land. But the collision doesn't just change the map, it reshapes the planet itself. As massive tectonic plates push into each other, the land is forced upward, creating towering mountain ranges over millions of years. As the continents keep moving, the familiar world map slowly transforms into something entirely new.
Over the next 100 million years, our continents will slowly drift together. This timeline shows the steady movement. The vast oceans begin to shrink and merge. They are on a direct collision course.
And one day, all of Earth's continents may crash together once again to form an entirely new supercontinent. It sounds unbelievable, but the force driving all of this is hidden deep beneath your feet. Earth's surface isn't one solid piece. It's made of enormous tectonic plates that slowly drift across the planet.
Tectonic plates can move in different ways. On the left, they pull apart, forming a new ocean. On the right, they crash together, pushing up massive mountains.
Today, satellites can measure these movements with incredible precision, even though they happen only a few centimeters each year.
Satellites track continental drift in real time. It's just a few centimeters every year. Over millions of years, that builds up, creating thousands of kilometers of movement. That is the power of deep time.
10 million years from now, Earth will still look familiar, but the first major changes will already be underway.
Let's look at the map. Zooming in on the Mediterranean, the sea begins to shrink. This cross-section shows plates colliding. Mountains will rise here, changing our world's coastline. Australia is on the move, sliding steadily north. In 10 million years, it will create a massive collision zone, changing the map forever. Let's compare two giant oceans. The Atlantic Ocean is gradually widening. The Pacific floor is actively subducting. One is growing while the other is closing. Earth's plates connect them both. It is a dynamic balance. But if we look 50 million years into the future, the movement of the continents accelerates. They begin to converge. And that is where everything changes.
50 million years from now, the continents are much closer together, and Earth's geography is changing faster than ever.
Tectonic plates are closing the Pacific Ocean. This happens as the ocean floor sinks beneath the continents. This process is known as subduction.
What once seemed impossible is slowly becoming reality. Continents that were once separated are moving closer together. As millions more years pass, the continents continue drifting toward what could become a new supercontinent. 100 million years from now, Earth may be almost unrecognizable. Oceans can open and close, mountains can rise, and continents can come together once again. The map we know today isn't permanent. It's just one moment in Earth's incredible story. Our planet has never stopped changing, and it never will.